very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their maths class. From today, dear Goenkans, as we have completed T2 syllabus, we are going to revise the first chapter of our term second, that is money, so that your all confusions will get clear and we will have a recapitulation revision today. Our first question is to solve. In the money chapter, you were told to add, subtract, multiply and division money. Divide money. That is, you were told to implement the learned operations before on money as well. How we did that? You were given with 45 rupees 23 paise and 34 rupees 41 paise. You are going to add them. How we do the addition? First we have to arrange these one below the another in such a way that the paise should be in one column and the rupee should be one below the another. Okay, then you have to start your addition from the paise column. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 3 is 7, and you should put the dot in between. This is a very important step, so that it means rupees 79.64 paise is the sum. Now come to B part. It says you have to do the subtraction. So how you are going to do the subtraction is, here you have to first write the greater number, that is 56, right? Then what you are going to do, you are going to write this number, that is your smaller number. Then you will start dividing. This will give 1 to this 2 and it will be 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 33 rupees 26 paise is the difference of the above. Now dear students, we are going to do C part, that is the multiplication. Okay, we have to multiply 72 rupees 2 paise with 5. Okay, simply as you do multiplication of ordinary numbers, you are going to do like that. 5 2 are 10, 0 you will write here and 1 will be carried over to next place. Then you are having the dot, that dot you have to put here. 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 1 carry over is there is 11, 1 you will write and 1 will be carried over to the next place. 5 7 are 35, 35 plus 1 is 36, so your answer is 361 rupees. Now D part is on division, that is division of money is done in the same way as we do division of ordinary numbers. So you are told to divide 42 rupees and the divisor is 6. We will find 42 in the table of 6, 6, 7 are 42. So our quotient is 7, that is our answer as well. The result that we obtain in division is called quotient. Okay, so rupees 7. Now question number 2, dear students. Rahul bought a pizza for rupees 540 and 50 paise and a pastry for 230 rupees 25 paise. He gave 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much he spent? How much money will he get back from the shopkeeper? So what is the cost price of pizza? That is given. Cost price of pastries, that is given. First you will add them up. Well, you will add them up, you will get 770 rupees 75 paise. Then this amount you are going to subtract from 1000, that will be the amount of money he will get back from the shopkeeper. That will be 229 rupees 25 paise. And now students, you are going to do practice of topic money, chapter number 9. This was all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you all.